Well, good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video. And I just wanted to take a little bit of time and talk to you a little bit about Dogecoin, a little bit of a Dogecoin update. As you can see here, we are sitting here, I believe it's the 15th of August, and folks, look at this. We got Dogecoin up 41% in the last 7 days. Now, we got Zcash up 27%, but I'm going to just focus on Dogecoin. I wanted to do a little quick analysis of this whole idea of Dogecoin sneaking up on everyone. And I know a lot of people caught the first run up and it made a lot of people wealthy, but I don't think people fully appreciate what the folks are getting ready to do with Dogecoin. It is not a joke what they're getting ready to do. And I wanted to go over that again and talk about it. So if we just look at Dogecoin right now sitting at 32 cents, let's just kind of pull up the chart and just look at what has happened year to date. Okay, I want to just stretch that out. And I want you to see that, like I said, if February of 2021, Dogecoin was sitting up here at less than a penny. Okay, so a lot of people got over on this and made some horrendous freaking money. Okay, and it shot up and people thought, well, this is just ridiculous. A 72-cent Dogecoin. A 72-cent Dogecoin. And everybody thought, well, Dogecoin will never be $1. It's just ridiculous. Well, come on, y'all. It was less than a penny and went to 72 cents. Of course it could get to $1. Dogecoin is in the top 10. And I have said time and time and time again, everything that's in the top 10 has the potential to be $1 trillion market cap. That's right. We can go through every single one of the cryptocurrencies in the top 10. And I want you to just plant that in your head as a seed. Every single one of those could be $1 trillion market cap. So let's just go and look again. Here we are at 33 cents. And when we start talking about the idea that these folks are getting ready to potentially make this thing more or less like Ethereum, where you have smart contracts. At first, when I heard this, I didn't believe it. I just thought somebody was lying, but it is true. They are getting ready to go from being a little bit more than just a wallet and that's it. They are getting ready to make this thing something where you can write smart contracts and add it to a variety of different platforms. So even though when you look at their site, you don't see anything talking about this, you do see them talking about the wallet and how to download it. You do see them trying to educate people with regards to how to use the wallet and their Discord. And if you take a little bit of time and go look at that, you're going to find out with the Reddit community here that a lot of things are going on. And the idea is, hey, if this thing is no longer a joke, okay, they're talking about a lot of people here who made lots of money. They're talking about, look at this. They're having a good time over here on the Dogecoin Reddit. But what I'm trying to get everybody to understand is that this thing with Dogecoin smart contracts is real. Let's just go ahead and search it down. Dogecoin smart contracts. Okay, let's just take a look at this and understand. Smart contracts on Doge chain would allow users to build passive income while cutting out the middleman, the banks. Are Dogecoin smart contracts coming? Let's take a look at this. Okay, we're going to get past this nonsense here. Are Dogecoins, look at this. This is Investor Place. Are Dogecoin smart contracts coming? 9 things for Doge investors that they need to know, right? Dogecoin is looking at a chance to cement itself as a coin with legitimate utility. Currently relegated to its meme status. Okay, this is written May 18, 2021. Much of the bearish talk on Doge is that it's a simple novelty. But with the prospect of Doge smart contracts becoming a reality, Doge could transcend the chatter. So even though you don't see anything on their website, look, there's a lot of other sources out here. Okay, here they are talking about what it would mean. What to know now. Smart contracts. Everybody that's a subscriber to this channel understands smart contracts are. We'll just go over that. Smart contracts are contracts between parties that are handled and executed by a computerized protocol. People use smart contracts for a number of reasons. Smart contracts can perform transactions, act as a key for cryptographic data, serve as a framework for developing DApps or decentralized apps. So in other words, this is what the developers and programmers use in order to allow transactions to occur on the blockchain. Okay, you want this particular non-fungible token, you want this particular graphic or this asset, and you're willing to pay some Dogecoin for it. Okay, the smart contract is what allows that transaction to take place. Hey, you give me a little crypto, I give you your digital asset. Okay, so there it is. Right now, that utility is not on the Doge blockchain, and it's coming. So if we understand that it is coming, okay, it puts it in the same space as Ethereum, Cardano, Internet Computer, and what have you. Okay, look at this. News of Dogecoin developing smart contracts is out, courtesy of YouTuber Matt Wallace via his Final Stand channel. Wallace says he got this news from Dogecoin developers. Is it true? I believe it is true. Smart contracts on Doge chain would allow users to build passive income while cutting out the middleman and the banks. So we are seeing Dogecoin just climb just a little bit here and there, and nobody's really paying attention. Nobody's paying attention. And I think what's going to happen is this thing is just going to sneak up on everybody. When it does, when Dogecoin sneaks up on everybody and it has the smart contract capability on the blockchain, I mean, Dogecoin could be the number 3 coin. And everybody needs to be ready for this. This is not something we should take as a joke anymore. The day they have links on the Dogecoin site to allow developers to start developing smart contracts on the Dogecoin blockchain, folks, it's going to be a nuclear explosion. Okay? But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you on the next one.